Here are a couple of hacks for your car. If you don't have a phone holder, why not just make one yourself? It's so easy. All you need is a black clip and an elastic. Clip it on the heater with the elastic in the middle, like this. And then place your phone in between the clip, with the elastic on each side. Now you can use the GPS no problem. For this hack, all you need is a toothbrush, toothpaste, and a big fiber cloth. Now add toothpaste onto your headlight. And brush it with the toothbrush. Make sure to brush every single corner. You don't want to miss a spot. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. Once the toothpaste sets in, you can clean it off with a cloth. Make sure to wipe it really good so that you take off all the toothpaste. And voila! All clean! Does your seatbelt always get stuck? I know mine does. Well, now I have a solution. All you need is the multi-purpose lube. Spray it onto the seatbelt where it always gets stuck. And pull it up and down a couple of times to make sure you sprayed it everywhere. You can even spray it a couple of times, just to be sure. Make sure to keep your windows open. The smell can get a little bit intense. It works like magic. If your trunk keeps squeaking, you can use the same product we just used. With the multi-purpose lube, you can spray it onto where it squeaks to remove the problem. Pull your trunk up and down so that the product really sets in the mechanism. You'll see, it will feel brand new. You're going on a long road trip and you want to keep your kids busy? Well, that one is for you. If you don't want to buy a TV for your car, why not just make one yourself? All you have to do is pull the head chair, like this, and insert your phone in the middle. Once your phone is well placed, you can pull the chair head back down so that your phone stays solid in the middle. Now you can play Netflix for your child. With this hack, you get to make your very own air freshener. All you need is cotton balls and essential oil. Put a couple of cotton balls into a bag, like this. Try to fill up your bag. And spray the essential oil. You can be very generous. I used spice apple. Let me know in the comments what you're gonna use. Now you can close your bag and tie it up to the mirror. So easy! And now your car smells all fresh. Another way to make an air freshener is with a makeup sponge. Cut your makeup sponge in half. Once you cut your sponge in half, cut it again, but not all the way. Like this. Now add the air freshener onto the sponge. You can even use an essential oil if you want. Now that that's done, you can insert it into the heater, like this. Now you have a brand new air freshener. Now I know that I'm not the only one that keeps my trunk messy. Well, no more. Why keep it messy when there's a very easy way to keep it clean? You can use small boxes or big boxes depending on how much stuff you have. And just place it in your trunk. You're gonna look so organized. And you'll have more space. Hey Crafty hackers, if you want more crafty hacks, just subscribe in the link below.